So your take-home pay is $5,000. You pay all your bills, your rent, your car, your insurance, cell phone, etc. You also budget money for groceries, gas, and entertainment. At the end of the month, you're left over with about $771 left over. You take that leftover $771, you put it into a compound account, and you save for your future. So this is how most people are saving their money. The problem with the mindset of saving what's left over is that it's backwards. So here's how you're supposed to do it. You take your $5,000 take-home pay and take a fixed percent, in this case 15% or $750 a month. Put that into a compound account for your future first. Then pay your rent, car, insurance, other expenses and bills. The problem with the mindset of saving what's left over is that in some months there just isn't anything left. That's why those that accumulate wealth in life have adopted the habit of paying themselves first. It's so important. That's why it's rule number 1 on the 5 rules of wealth. So everyone's income, how much they're contributing to their financial future, and what their expenses look like is different. The point of this lesson is that whatever your income is, you're taking a percent and putting it to your financial future first. If you'd like to get on a track for your financial future, you can click the link below. The Bright Advisor team is happy to meet with you. If you found value in today's video, as always, please subscribe to our YouTube channel for more wealth building videos, tips, and lessons. My name's Scott McLean. It's not what you make, it's what you do with what you make.